How to pin post on your Instagram profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will find all your posts. Simply click on the post you want to pin. Then click on three dots at the top right. Here, at the bottom, you'll find option Pin to your main grid. Click on it. After you click on that, simply go back, reload your profile, and you will find the post pinned on your profile at the top. And this is how to pin post on your Instagram profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.